We just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package engine with the Holley Sniper fuel injection system for our customer's 1967 Bronco 4x4. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. We have the 302 Ford roller lifter camshaft in there, AFR aluminum heads, American made. We have the correct oil pan for the 67 Bronco, rear sump oil pan, oil stick and tube. We installed the oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup. We have the brass freeze plugs installed, engine block painted the Ford blue. It's real nice blue ignition wires, American made. Distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, Holley Sniper fuel injection system on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball. We'll set up the Holley Sniper EFI menu screen for you. All the settings will be set, ready to go. Every engine is live run and fully tested for over 45 minutes. You're going to see a video of your engine running in the stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We set the ignition timing. Again, dial in the Sniper EFI system. This engine will be drop in, ready to go, plug and play. Install these real nice Bronco powered by Ford polished valve covers with the matching ball milled polished air cleaner with the washable filter. We have the brand new standard flywheel on there, 164 tooth flywheel, proper balance and tooth count. For the 302 Ford, we put the ARP flywheel bolts, pilot bearing in there. Customer's running a 5-speed transmission, so that's the correct flywheel, it's verified. We have the Wraptor pulley kit on here, AC compressor on there, 8-rib serpentine belt, heavy duty belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner on there, high flow aluminum water pump, correct lower hose location on the passenger side for the 67 Bronco. Thermostat housings on there, thermostats installed, coolant bypass hose, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there. It's just the way you get it, complete custom built engine ready to go for your vehicle. Thanks for watching.